Hey everybody, Thomas here from my channel Astronice and welcome to another video. Today I am talking in a very brief video about something called Manim. Yeah, Manim is the website I'm showing you here is actually a Python library. You can visit it via manim.community. And Manim is something that has been created by the YouTuber 3Blue1Brown. Maybe you have seen the videos of very, let's say, very sophisticated videos of mathematical explanations and stuff like that, where formula equations are showing and then transformed and so on. These are very high quality, it's very high quality stuff. And they or he developed a library called Manim, and the community forked it and created Manim Community, which has more open source contributors, and it allows you to create very nice functions, like for example this one here, like I don't know, some kind of flow animation or so. Now, why am I talking about this? Is that I am starting now to create some YouTube short videos about also basic scientific concepts, because I would like to keep it a little bit clean than like putting these universe sandbox and Python tutorial videos as actual videos and some scientific explanations maybe in shorts. I don't know if I can really separate that, but I would like to use Manim to create these short videos. And I have just one request. I would like to kindly ask you to write then comments when I'm publishing the videos, to give me feedback what kind of animations you like or where you see some improvements, because I'm learning to code this stuff and I would like to improve also my, let's say, scientific communication, scientific design skills a little bit. So there's like no sneak preview for now. I'm currently working on something for orbits, starting a little bit with how orbits work and so on, especially for those of you or for the interested general public that would like to know more about this orbital stuff, and focusing of course on space science and astrophysics. Let's see how this thing goes. As I said, please let me know, and when the code is kinda okay, I will also maybe create a second repository or maybe put it into my actual repository, where all the Manim animations are then also published so that you can reproduce it. This is just a very short, yeah, not a sneak preview, but a video telling what I'm planning to do. Leave some comments what you think about it, what you would like to see. So if you see this video also later in a month or in a year, please put any ideas about astrophysics or astronomy you think could be animated with Manim, put them into the comments, and I will see if I can code this stuff. Thank you and hope you will like it.